Frugal Living Hack: How to Live Well on a Budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be sharing some frugal living hacks that will help you to live well on a budget. If you are someone who used to struggle with debt and overspending, you should know how important it is to make every dollar count. So, let's dive in. One of the biggest expenses in our lives is food. But there are ways to cut down on your grocery bill without sacrificing quality or taste. Tip number 1 is to make a meal plan and create a grocery list before you go shopping. This will help you avoid impulse buys and stick to the items you need. Tip number 2 is to buy in bulk, especially for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. This will save you money in the long run and ensure that you always have essentials on hand. Tip number 3 is to cook at home instead of eating out. I know it can be tempting to grab takeout or go to a restaurant, but cooking at home is not only healthier, but it's also much cheaper. You can find recipes online that are easy to make and budget-friendly. And if you have leftovers, you can pack them for lunch the next day, which will save you even more money. Tip number 4 is entertainment. It is another area where you can save money. Instead of going to expensive concerts or events, try free activities like hiking, picnics, or visiting a local park. You can also look for discounts or coupons for movies, museums, or other activities in your area. Tip number 5 and the final but very important is to keep track of your expenses and create a budget. This will help you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. You can use a spreadsheet or an app to track your expenses and make adjustments as needed. There you have it. These are my frugal living hacks for living well on a budget. I hope you found them helpful. Remember, living frugally doesn't have to mean sacrificing the things you love. It's all about being mindful of your spending and finding ways to save money without compromising on the quality of life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.